Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is 4 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first, either division or multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see here, we will solve the given expression. According to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So here we do not have any bracket or parenthesis, so we can skip this step right now. Step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part for order of operation. So we have here 4 raised to power 2. So here we have to like this, 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16. Divided by 2 minus 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 raised to power 2 equals to. Now move forward step number 3 because we have solved all exponent part in this expression. In step number 3, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 2 raised to power 16 which is equals to 32. So we will write like 32 because why we are solving this? Because according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, you have to follow left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 multiplied by 16 and divided by 8 divided by 2 minus 2. Again, we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference to multiply by 16 equals to 32. Now again, we have to follow same step for division because we have now division. So this one we will divide like 32 divided by 8 which is equals to 4. And again we have to divide with 2 minus 2. And here we have to give the reference 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. Now we have to follow same rule. We will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 4 divided by 2 which is equals to 2 and minus 2 again we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 divided by, now we have to solve, we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. So the answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression in PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.